Introducing the T3DSO700HD digital oscilloscope by Teledyne Test Tools. The T3DSO700HD series are entry-level digital oscilloscopes with 12-bit resolution on all 4 analog channels at up to 200 MHz bandwidth. 12-bit resolution shows you more details and less noise on the waveform with low noise floor. It displays 16 digital channels mixed signal analysis. Each model provides a maximum sample rate of 2 gigasamples per second and a maximum memory depth of 100 megapoints per channel. With the addition of a user-friendly UI design, the 7-inch capacitive touchscreen display supports multi-touch gestures, greatly improving operation efficiency. T3DSO700HDs offers an external 50 MHz waveform generator with 7 different waveform types. The T3DSO700HD offers up to 4 math traces. Select sources from channels 1 through 4, zoom, math, or reference. It measures up to 5 advanced parameters at once for a more convenient way to debug with a maximum waveform capture rate of up to 500,000 waveforms per second on all 4 channels as a standard feature. This oscilloscope offers history mode, search and navigate functions, serial decode options, mask testing, and more. Power tools such as Bode Plot and power analysis are also included as a standard option. The T3DSO700HD oscilloscope series allows you to debug with confidence. For more information, click on the link.